Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super simple and yet very rich lobster tail recipe. This is great for any kind of special occasion and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. I have 2 videos every week. To start off, I have here 4 lobster tail and I've already cut 3 of them, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm cutting them to open the shell. So I'll just go ahead on top, just cut through the shell. Don't cut all the way through, just until the tail, and gently pull this away from the shells that is attached, because at this point you don't want to pull them all the way through. Just detach the skin on the sides. As you can see on the sides, just gently detach it with your finger and then pull the lobster out of the shell, still the meat attached to the shell. So here I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to pull the meat all the way up until the tail, but it's still attached on the tail part. Now I'm going to just do that with the rest of the lobster. The reason we are doing this, because when we finish cooking, it's easy for us to take it out without any mess. So this is the easiest way to do that. Now once that is done, we are going to prepare the marinade for the lobster tail. I'm also broiling my oven. If you want to bake it, you can do, but I would prefer broiling because it takes very little time to cook through. Here I have 1 large garlic that I'm just going to grate it, and also parsley, 2 tablespoons, that I'm going to finely chop and then add it to the garlic in the bowl. And here I have 1 large lemon. I'm going to just take the zest of 1 full large lemon, and then the same lemon I'm going to cut into half, and then I'm going to use the lemon juice. I'm going to cut half. Approximately need 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. That's all, not more than that. You don't want too lemony lobster tail. It's not going to taste very good. We want to focus on butter more than the lemon, but still you want a little bit of lemon, so I'm using like around 2 tablespoons of lemon, and just take the seeds out. Here I have butter, melted butter, so I'm using around 1/4 cup. Now salt as needed, and if you would like to add pepper, or if you like chili flakes, you can add that as well. And now I'm going to add this mixture to the lobster. So on top of that, we are going to add generously as much as you want, because this is what that gives nice flavor to it. And once that is done, I will put this in the oven to broil. Just make sure your rack is not very close to the broiler. It has to be like 2 rows below the broiler. We don't want to burn it, we just want nicely cooked through. Now I'm going to add this in the oven for 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes is done, it's cooked through, and I'll show you guys how it looks. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked through and it's nicely done. You can see the shell has changed the color, and also it's very easy to remove the meat from the shell. This is the reason why we initially opened the shell and pull the meat out. Now you can just garnish with little cilantro or parsley and lemon wedge, and also a melted butter. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.